Welcome to Qiggz. In this short video, we'll show you how to create your vendor account so you can start getting real leads and applying for jobs in your trade. First, open your browser and go to qiggz.com. On the home page, look at the top menu and click on Sign Up. From the drop-down, select Create Vendor Account. This is the option for contractors and home service businesses looking to find more work and grow. A pop-up will appear with two choices: Create profile in a different way, or Create profile from website. Let's look at the first option. Create profile from website. Simply type in your company website and click Create profile from website. You'll see a screen that says Generating your profile. That means Qiggz is building your business profile for you automatically. Once it's ready, you'll get a profile preview, and you can finish signing up to start applying for jobs and getting leads. Now, let's check the other option. Create profile in a different way. Here you'll see the Profile Setup Wizard, which gives you 3 ways to set up your page. Generate using your website, connect your site, and pull in your company info. Generate using our AI. Let Qiggz AI create a professional profile for you in minutes. Manually, fill your details. Enter everything yourself if you'd like full control over how your profile looks. Just choose the option that works best for your business and click Continue. And that's it. Your vendor account is now set up. With Qiggz, you can showcase your business, apply for jobs, and connect with homeowners and contractors who are hiring. Once you're on your dashboard, you can easily switch between the poster and vendor profiles using the toggle at the top left corner. Start growing your business today with Qiggz.